All right, happy Thursday, everybody. The bloodbath probably and kind of tapered off today. I'm not sure whether or not today Bitcoin will start pulling back at the alts, ripping out the life of other altcoins. Today it looks like NEM or XEM BTC is doing pretty well, 26%. Yesterday was Digibytes, whatever that is. Fill me in the description below. Tell me what is it all about. Okay, I'm very curious because I think that went up to 230%. You know, I don't really follow things that are hitting top volume unless I'm feeling really frisky and I want to just have some gambling money, you know, and that's what I'll do. But I didn't do anything of that sort yesterday. In fact, yesterday was more of building my portfolio. So I decided to create a small portfolio so that I can just you know, show people that buying and holding can be a very effective strategy towards accumulation of wealth and building your cryptocurrencies. Now, the thing about buying and holding is that it is boring. You have to be very you have to actually do research on the coins that you're buying, and also the wallet that you're deciding to use will determine what is the it will determine the holding, right? It will determine what you can hold. So I don't like to hold anything on the exchange. Like recently, I think Poloniex is having a lot of issues, and I think that holding any coins on the exchange is damn risky because, you know, you can have an attack, you can have a hack, and that's it. But yes, I do hold coins that I'm intending to hold for a very short period of time on the exchange, unfortunately, and that is something that not everyone can do. And I would advise, if you're still building your base of investable capital, I strongly suggest that you always purchase from the exchange and withdraw into a cold wallet, or at least a wallet that you can have you own the private keys to. You never actually own your coins or your tokens, guys. It's always stored on that particular blockchain, okay? And you have the private keys to access those tokens. Okay, you never actually own it. Okay, it's digital money. Okay, so now let's get into what I purchased recently. Okay, so my base currencies are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so I started with these two. These are all deposits. Bitcoin, Ethereum, ever since it hit $90, $95, you know, it's been hovering around the $88. And Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin's Bitcoin. So I earn in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So these are my base currencies. So usually I will kind of like want to take profit in these two. Okay. Then what I purchased recently was Golem and Litecoin. So this was, let me just show you my wallet here, what I did. So for Golem, okay, so Golem, as you can see, on the 15th of May, which was 3 days ago for me and 2 days ago for anyone in the US. Okay, so as you can see, I started off with 691. It went down all the way until $600 yesterday. That means I lost $91 yesterday, and today I am a little bit up. So yeah, not too bad. Golem has been recovering. I think people see the value of the shared computing power. All right. Now then, let's go to yes, and I picked up Litecoin yesterday. No, sorry, 2 days ago. So Litecoin, I started off. I came out from. I used Bitcoin to buy Litecoin, and yeah, it started out with $554. So now it's $636. So roughly it's about $82 up. Not too bad, right? So you see, as you can see, if you have a portfolio like this, a buy and hold simple strategy, okay, what is good is that you're really, you know what's the fundamentals, you know what's the trend for these particular coins before you make a decision. Don't open a wallet, start a wallet and start picking and buying whatever I'm saying. No. I'm going to go to the charts later, but I just want to show you that having an Exodus.io wallet means that you hold the private keys. So at least it's a desktop wallet. I wouldn't say that, and especially, you know, with what you call it, WannaCry or the ransomware, it's very scary. If I had downloaded, you know, by mistake, ransomware, I'm so screwed, right? Because I would have to pay, you know, that someone $300 US, and if I don't pay, they'll destroy my whatever, my hard disk, my file. So it's very scary. So I usually never accept any emails. I'll never download any attachment. You know, I'm sorry guys, because these days cybercrime or cyber wars are very, very real, especially in the crypto age. So, you know, I'm going to be very, very cautious. But the reason why I'm showing this to you is because I understand there are people who are coming in to cryptocurrencies and they're very new and they want to participate, but they don't really know how. So I just want to quickly educate people on what's the kind of the best way. The best way is always purchasing a Ledger Nano S, or from the getting yourself a cold wallet. Okay, I think there's Trezor, and there are other KeepKey. Yeah, all these are hardware wallets. Okay, it's kind of primitive. It looks like a thumb drive, and you know, you really keep it separately away from, you know, all the internet connections and all that day to day. Like laptop is considered like always 24/7 connected to the internet, right? So it's very risky. So after mentioning the security part, let's move on to the good stuff on why I picked Litecoin and Golem. Okay, and what other stuff am I looking at going forward after the whole run up. So now let's look at what has run up first. So the darling, as I've always been talking about, yesterday I did a video on Ripple. You know, I would say that fantastic returns, very, very crazy, especially for the month of for just 1 month. You're looking at the fact that it ran. Oh wait, ooh, okay, it's lagging, right? It's lagging. Ooh, okay. Wow. Yep. Yeah, probably the API is lagging. Polo is lagging because I'm getting my information from Polo, and it's affecting my Coinergy, my Coinergy chart. Okay, never mind. Let's just look at it for the fact that, let's say you really did pick it up at the low. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's just do where it is right now. Okay, realistically. Okay, so yeah. Oh man, wow. Okay, oh, everything's starting to pop up. Give me a second. Okay. So is 4,000% good enough, guys? 4,170%. Nice, good enough, chased enough. Okay, so 23rd of March and all the way until 18th of May. All right, so 4,170% up. Let's look at the next one, which is NEEM. NEEM is okay. NEEM, since let's look at February. Okay, 1,476 from oh no, sorry. Yes, okay. So 1st of March, same thing, 2 months in almost 1.5 months. Okay, 1.5 months, March, April, then March to April, 1, 2, 2. Yeah, correct, around 1.5 months. Now it's May. Okay, 1,476. Guys, help me. The lag, it's killing me. The lag is flowing into my computer. Oh, sheesh. Okay, now let's look at stuff that has run up but has corrected significantly. So these are the ones that you should pay attention to, yeah? Okay, so, oh man, okay. Okay, so same thing, had a very strong run up, but not as crazy. Okay, so this was the wick, right? So let's look at the wick, 456. But let's look at where it has come down to now. Okay, so 30th of March to 17th of May. Today is, okay, it's 249. Still sick. by the way, still pretty sick, 249%. Okay, it's still pretty sick. Okay, so this is LTC, BTC, yeah. Okay, then we have ETC. Same thing, had a run up as well. Oh wait, let me switch to 1 day candles first. Hold on, guys, it's lagging. Okay, so oh man, this lag is horrible. Yeah, anything connected to a Poloniex API, man, is shit. It's sending the information over to Coinergy, and this is the result, right? Because a chart should, I mean, of course, naturally the chart is reflecting whatever is the price, so it's lagging nonetheless. Okay, so yeah, okay, so same thing. Let's see. This is 13th of March. Went all the way up to a high of 373%, but now it's only at 176%. Okay. Now next we have, last but not least, GNT, which is Golem. So let's pull out the 1 day. So, oh, okay. Okay. I think Golem I can't do 1 day. It isn't around long enough. So let's do 1 hour. Wow. This is bad. Sorry guys, you gotta bear with me, right? This is nothing to do with me. It's just, I guess, just the way it is. See, so when you do, you know, these kind of videos. Okay, so yeah, Golem has been taking a huge beating, right? So in okay, let's do 3 months. Okay, so since March, see, the run up is more controlled. Okay, the run up is more controlled. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this was basically when I picked it up, pretty insane. So I made quite a bit, as you can see. I made quite a bit here, but there was this strange buy up all the way, and then after that it tanked back down. So this is the 9,000 Satoshi range. I still remember, man, very clear. I entered at about, yeah, I entered around here, seriously, like this range here. Wait, what is this range? Yeah, 1,000, almost 2,000, 3,000 Satoshis, and then I did a sell at 7,650 Satoshis. That was my sell. Then it closed at 9,000. I was like, shit. Then it started to, you know, it got quiet this whole period. Oh, sheesh, I'm lagging again. So it got all quiet around here. Okay, it got quiet all around here. And then it shot up. Then, of course, the sell down. So if you look at Golem, right? Golem is now only at, yeah, well, it's still more than the other two, apart from LTC and ETC. But Golem is up 535% if you look at a 2-month time frame. So because of this correction that occurred, right? Of course, I should wait until the reversal before I pick stuff up. Like yesterday, it went all the way down until 10,000 Satoshis. I hope that people picked it up then. See, 10,000 Satoshis. You see this little wick here? It went down to 10,000 Satoshis, and then after that, today it's picking up very strongly. So whoever picked it up is in the money of in the money of 2,000 Satoshis. So it's pretty sweet. So yeah. So that being said, I'm just showing you guys that it's very possible to pick stuff, especially after a run up. Okay, I just be patient, you know. And after making the video on Ripple, just yesterday, when I was doing the video, just to refer to the video, it was at 20, I think it went up to 24,000, see? So 24,000 Satoshis, and then after that I said, guys, if you want to chase, go ahead, it's your money. And after that it started to come down. You know, who knows, right? Because it's controlled by the banks, guys. So they don't want something to fail or you losing confidence and you hating on them. So yes, you may want to consider chasing it, but I won't, because until I see a period where it dies down in terms of excitement, because the news will always shift to other coins. Okay, the news will shift to other coins. For example, okay, I don't want to keep talking about Ethereum Classic, but that's the one that I am invested in. At least I know much more about any other coin. So Ethereum Classic will be launching the Emerald wallet in June. There's going to be, once Emerald is up, the developers will have access to more tools that they can build dApps on. And when that happens, right, then it opens up potential for, you know, developers to create programs, developers to create ICOs on the Ethereum Classic blockchain. You know, that kind of stuff. So you know how that happens. And when you have exchanges opening up ETC, or at least listing ETC on their exchange, you're going to just see more momentum happen. Okay, so with that being said, there's a lot of potential in the tree that I highlighted. Okay, but still invest with money that you don't need in the short term. Take a longer term view. As you can see, I always use the one day candles, right? And I pull like literally 3 months to even 6 months, sometimes even 1 year, just to show you guys. I don't go by minutes. But if you guys want to go by short term, I think there are other people who are much better at advising on short term plays. But I don't like to go short term because that's good money, like 10, 15, 20, 30% in a day if you're really lucky. But I don't like to get lucky. I like to be very certain, or at least 80% certain, 70 to 80% certain about a particular coin. Then I put my money there because my chances of winning is so much higher. So with that, I leave you guys with a note. And you know, you see, start small, guys. See, this little portfolio, this little experiment I did is just to show you that even with something so small, you can create wealth, right? You can create wealth. And I just want to show you that this is not a lot of money, guys. It's not life-changing money. This is easily in Singapore, nothing. Especially in certain parts of US, for example, this money is nothing. It's small money. But just wanted to show you that with a small amount of money, it's going to fluctuate. Like yesterday, to be honest with you, it was only $2,700 worth of $2,700. Today it's $259 more. See, that's quite life-changing in a way, right? Because if your money was sitting in the bank account, you are not going to have that kind of increase. But then again, it's not going to have any drops as well. I mean, tomorrow, if I do a video, it could be $1,000. Right? It could be $1,000. Ethereum may lose half its value, or Golem can suddenly drop to like 50% down. Litecoin can be 50% down. Anything can happen. So I'm just saying that always be prepared for the volatility. I think I'm in some chat groups or Telegram groups, and they will always say crypto is not for the weak of heart. Okay, which is true. Crypto is not for the weak of heart, because or is that the term? Yeah. You know, for the faint of heart, sorry, not the weak of heart, the faint of heart, because your portfolio can be down 30, 40%. Okay, mom and pops cannot handle that kind of thing, right? Unless there's a black swan. But crypto is like that. If it can go up 100, 200, 300%, why can't it come down 50, 60, 70, even 100%? Right? So you gotta accept it. You gotta just accept for the fact that the current market caps are small and they still can be manipulated. Don't think 20 billion is a big deal, guys. Look at the forex markets, look at the stock markets. Each individual stock, especially the bigger stocks, right, can clearly just engulf the crypto market. Okay? When you look at Apple, you look at Berkshire Hathaway, you look at Google, you look at Microsoft. These guys, their stock alone, you know, their market capitalization of their stock alone engulfs the whole of the crypto market, 5x, 10x, 20x. You see, like just now when I was showing you, $2,960 over, now is 2,953. You lose money fast, guys, but you make money fast also. So just have a longer term view and should be fine. Okay, with that being said, God bless. Have a good day. And yeah, let me know if you bought something. If you bought something and you made good money on it, please share with the rest of the subscribers in the chat box. Also, please take a look at the list of programs that I have that are listed in my description below, because if you're passive, you might want to consider participating in those programs. I get a little bit of a commission here and there when you participate. Those are passive programs. You don't have to think too much about the market or get educated. You just pump your money there and it grows. But same thing, there is a level of risk, so always enter with your own risk. But that's passive. You usually earn percentage of it. You earn a daily percentage on those programs. Also, please help me out in reaching my goal towards a better camera, guys, because I really want to have a better camera so that I can do proper videos, because now I'm just using my laptop camera. I do have a very old camera, but I just want to have a better quality, and I hope that the community can really help out. Just donate a little bit once in a while. It's not a big deal, but these days you don't make any money from doing YouTube videos, guys. I'm not like someone who has 1 million subscribers, but nonetheless, the community has been very helpful, and yeah, and anytime that you want to share some information, and you can feel free to comment, and I will definitely look into certain things that you want me to look at, and yeah, we can discuss and even make a video about it. Okay, so with that being said, thanks so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.